Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.com. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.com. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix the Facebook issue, in which the Facebook page content is not loading properly. I will show you a simple little trick which can solve this issue. But first make sure to watch this video till end. Alright, now let's get right into it. If your FB page content is not loading properly as well, first of all refresh the page and see if it's working. If not, close the browser and try again. If that doesn't work as well, then follow me. It's a simple little trick and here is what you need to do. This problem is commonly caused by your ad blocker. So what you need to do is, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of the browser, and click Manage Extensions. Now just simply turn off the ad blocker extension, and you're pretty much done here. Now just refresh the page and your page will load properly. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.